Welcome back to Nathandri Inti Vantalu. So today I am again with one more protein rich food, that is prawns biryani. I know when I said protein rich food and biryani, people will think biryani lo chala carbs unte. Yes, biryani has carbs because rice has carbs, okay? But in a day once you can have rice, because rice once you can have rice, and in the evening you can cover it up with some salad so that the carbs level is maintained. So normally we should eat in a whole day around 1500 calories. So it is better you all download some app which counts the calories and accordingly eat whatever food you all are eating. Okay, so we will start without wasting much time. Protein rich prawns biryani. Let's start. So today we're gonna start doing prawns biryani. So these are the dry masala I've taken. Okay, so to start with we'll be putting around 150 grams of refined oil, and then to cook rice I have taken around 2 liters of water, 1.5 liters. So whatever dry masala edaithe తీసుకున్నామో half biryani ki half biryani masala ki half rice ki ali. So I am putting around 1 dalchini and around 2 to 3 ilaichi and 1 big ilaichi and bay leaf, star anise, and then shajira and around 3 to 4 lavangas. Okay, the same thing we will repeat here. Our oil is already was left, so I put the same thing in oil. In the same thing we are going to put around 250 grams of onion. Okay. So now we have to fry this until golden brown. So we see here that our water is already boiled, so I am putting little salt in that. In the same thing we will be adding around 750 grams of rice, which is already soaked basmati rice. Okay, so our this one have become brown, so we will put around 2 big spoons of ginger garlic paste, and the same thing we'll put some slit mirchi and fry for 2 minutes. In the same pot I am putting around 250 grams of tomatoes. Okay, now again put some time. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు తగినంత ఉప్పు వేసుకోండి. మనం ఆల్రెడీ రైస్లో వేసాం కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా చూసి ఉప్పు వేసుకోండి. అండ్ అరౌండ్ 2 స్పూన్స్ ఆఫ్ మిర్చి పౌడర్, అండ్ దెన్ వీ విల్ పుట్, అండ్ దెన్ ఐమ్ పుట్టింగ్ 3 tablespoons of only biryani masala. I'm not putting any dhania, kuch bhi nahi. Okay, only biryani masala. Okay, so now we're gonna add around 250 grams of dahi. Very good. Okay, and then now I'm putting here prawns which were already washed and marinated, kept in the fridge. You can keep it overnight for good taste, or if you can even keep it for half an hour petna chalu. Okay, so along with this prawns I am putting 1 aloo. Okay, it's a raw aloo, it's not boiled aloo. Okay, manamu cut chesi pettina coriander వేస్తున్నాను 1 cup, and then same quantity mint. If you want to add some more, you can even adi kuda add cheyochu. Okay, so we'll just give little 1 heat to this. Okay, so now we can see even our rice is cooked. Okay, so rice oka 70% వరకు కుక్ చేస్తే పర్వాలేదు. Okay, so now we're going to just add the rice in the biryani. Okay, so I'm just putting 1 spoon of lemon juice. So now there is no need to cook it, because you know anyways dum lo adi udikipotundi. So just give 1 boil so that these prawns will just become like, you know. Okay, so now we'll just give 1 boil, and after that we'll directly add rice. Rice water only to. So now our rice is already cooked. Okay, so now we are directly putting this rice into our biryani. So ఇది మన ప్రాసెస్ చాలా ఈజీగా, ఐ మీన్ ఫాస్ట్గా అయిపోతుంది. నేను చేసే ప్రతి వంట ఫాస్ట్గానే ఉంటుంది. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు అగైన్ పుట్ లేయర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్, బికాస్ anyways we mix and eat food. Okay, so I'm putting directly rice. I'm just taking it with the spoon, draining off excess water, and then putting the same rice on our biryani masala. So I am putting here 2 tablespoons of ghee. Okay, this is optional, and if you don't want, you can even avoid it. Okay, anyways I put very less oil, as you all have already seen. Okay, and ఇది ముందే మనం పెట్టుకున్న ఆనియన్ for garnishing, పుదీనా. So I have just put pindi పెట్టాను for them. So you can put either silver foil, or if you have a tight container, there is no need to put. Okay, so now we're going to keep this for at least half an hour in sim. If the bottom is very thin, now mana half an hour అయిపోయింది. So our prawns biryani is ready to eat. So I was telling ki prawns lo good amount of protein ఉంటుంది. 100 grams లో at least 19 to 20 grams of protein ఉంటుంది, and it is very good. దాంట్లో ఫ్యాట్స్ లేవు, ఫ్యాట్స్ కూడా చాలా 1 gram ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత carbohydrates is also in very small quantity. Okay, so you all should be eating more of seafood. This is very good for health, and then eat it with salad, which will complete the whole thing. Okay, thank you so much. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make prawns biryani. I'll tell you, this is like meri biryani okasari tini chuste you will really enjoy it, because the taste is so good, and all my friends and relatives, they wait for me to make biryani every time. So please make this biryani and let me know how it is, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice weekend. Bye.